Hey everybody, I'm Rasha Basari, and today I am here to show you how you guys can make this shirt using the Subli-Flex 202 by Forever. So Subli-Flex 202 is a cold peel transfer media. It has a polyester coating allowing it to be used on both 100% light and dark cotton, and dark cotton is actually what we will be using today for our demonstration. And because Subli-Flex 202 has a white layer to it, we will need to cut and read our design before the application process. And to do that, we will be using the Cameo 3 by Silhouette cutter. To get started, open up the Silhouette Studio that came with your Cameo 3 cutter. The first thing you want to do is set up your page to match your end goal design idea. To do this, bring your cursor over to the right side of the studio where you see tabs aligned vertically. Click on the first one that says Page Setup. A window will pop up right next to it. There, you will be able to customize the size of your design area. We will be using the 8.5 by 11 letter size. You will see a red outline for the dimensions on the design mat here. This helps you keep your design within the bounds of your media size. Next, you want to right-click on the design area and select registration marks. You will see cross-hatched marks show up along here. This is to help the machine indicate where it needs to be in respect with your design. Now you are ready to import or create your design in Silhouette Studio. What you can do is just drag and drop your design into the mat area. Once you have your design, you will want to right-click and select Flip Horizontally. This will mirror your image for when you print and for the application process. We are using the Sawgrass SG800. To print on there, you must select the Virtuoso Print Manager in the printer setting. Select Print and the manager will open up. We have the Forever Edition, which includes the Subli-Flex, Subli-Light, and Subli-Glitter. For this media, we chose the Subli-Flex option. Remember not to mirror the image since it's already mirrored, and select Print. When the print comes out, careful not to touch the image and wait for it to dry as it does come out a bit wet. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned for our part 2 where I show you how to cut your design next.